Hello, olá. As you know, como vocês sabem, I am a Portuguese and I am a survivalist. Eu sou um português e sou um sobrevivencialista. So I'm going to tell you, portanto, eu vou-vos contar my observations, as minhas observações, and what I heard from friends, e aquilo que eu ouvi de amigos, and from people I know, e de pessoas que eu conheço, about the blackout. So, people use it in the survival community. As pessoas na comunidade dos sobrevivencialistas. They use it to say that in 3 days supplies would be out. As pessoas costumavam dizer que em 3 dias os suprimentos, os mantimentos estariam acabados. Well, let me tell you what happened. Look. Deixem-me dizer aquilo que aconteceu e olhem. People were not minimally prepared. As pessoas não estavam minimamente preparados. So, my personal experience first. A minha experiência pessoal primeiro. Obviamente para mim, a blackout would be a possible scenario. O blackout seria um cenário possível. So, as I had done in the days before a busy week of night shifts, como eu tinha feito na semana anterior ou tinha tido na semana anterior uma semana ocupada de turnos, portanto, noturnos. When I woke up, quando eu acordei, and I recorded the things as they were happening, eu gravei as coisas como estavam, no momento em que estavam a acontecer. But I am not going to publish it, mas não vou publicar. So, I woke up at like, I will say, between 3 and 5 o'clock p.m. Portanto, eu acordei entre as 3 e as 5 da tarde. As a survivalist, I have 2 lanterns or torches near the bed. More. I have one in the bed. I have one on the near the nightstand. Portanto, eu tenho uma na cama e tenho outra na mesinha de cabeceira. Lanternas. So I woke up. Então eu acordei and I normally turning the flashlight as I do, if I remember well, se eu me lembro bem, normalmente ligo uma das lanternas, and I went out of the bedroom, e eu saí do quarto, and when I got to a hall in the house, e quando eu cheguei a um hall na casa, I tried to turn on the lamp in the hall. Tentei ligar a luz dessa sala de espera. The lamp didn't turn on, a luz não ligou, but as that lamp, como essa lâmpada, has 3 switches and it can be controlled from 3 places, I moved out because the way the system works, I moved out to another switch and then to another switch and the lamp didn't turn on, I thought. Portanto, eu movi-me de um interruptor para o outro e depois para o outro e a lâmpada não ligou e eu pensei, and I thought, okay, the lamp burnt out, or got to the end of his useful life. Portanto, a lâmpada queimou ou chegou ao fim da sua vida útil. Okay. So, I tried another lamp. I had tried maybe the lamp in the bedroom before. Eu talvez tenha tentado a lâmpada no quarto anteriormente, and then I thought, well, the microwave must be connected, basically. Must have the lights in the screen. Pensei, o microondas deve ter as luzes no visor, and when we open a microwave, e nós quando abrimos um microondas, the light on the inside turns on. A luz no interior liga-se. Okay, so the light didn't turn on, and I said, well, and I thought, well, the light as the power went out. Okay, the power went out. So I got, if I remember, to my cell phone. Então eu fui até ao meu, portanto, telemóvel, and watched the screen. There was the screen was lit, and I thought, well, an EMP, at least a big EMP, didn't occur. Okay. So but then, if I remember, I started to hear like people speaking in the more people than usual, more conversations than usually in the street. Então eu comecei a ouvir estilo mais conversas na rua. People talking, and so I went out to go to the bakery to get bread, the usual dose of bread. Então eu saí para ir à padaria buscar pão à padaria, and the bakery, it's like I would say 200 meters to 300 meters from my house. So when I got to the bakery, which is near across where two roads cross, que é essa padaria que é perto de um cruzamento, I saw that the bakery was closed, and that a small supermarket, um pequeno supermercado, was also already closed with its iron bars and such. So I thought, man, what did happen? Então eu pensei, bolas, o que é que aconteceu? So there was, to my left, there was a shop of electrical material, and I am a client of that shop because my field of study, when I left the university, portanto o meu campo de estudos, quando eu deixei a faculdade, it's electric engineering, and especially the electrical systems and the grid and such. Okay, electric engineering. So, portanto, há uma loja à esquerda de material elétrico, e eu sou cliente, e o meu campo de estudos, portanto, quando saí da faculdade, é exatamente este das redes e do mais ligado, mais especializado nas redes de energia, nos sistemas elétricos de energia, etc. So I went to the shop owner. I know, fui I'm the owner or one of the people that works there, portanto eu fui ter com ele, and I asked, he was standing at the door, ele estava encostado à porta, and I asked, so what happened? Is this a blackout? What do you know, and such? And I knew that I could get information from the radio, because I have the protected radios, and before the government asked for us to have an emergency kit, you know that I already have mine. Portanto, e antes que o governo, eu tinha um rádio portátil, mas decidi ir primeiro à padaria, e eu que tenho até um kit 2 anos antes do governo ter, ou 2 anos, a lot of years before the government had asked people to do an emergency kit or to have an emergency kit. I already have mine, as you know. Portanto, anos antes do governo pedir para as pessoas fazerem um kit de emergência, assim, eu já tinha o meu. So he told me that it was in Iberia, que era na Península Ibérica, and that, if I remember well, that it had been going since like 11:30 Portuguese time, which coincides with the English time, the Greenwich Meridian time, portanto, e que tinha começado para aí às 11:30 e que era porque é a hora que a nossa hora é a mesma hora britânica, and then from then on, a partir daí, I got into like the planets, the stages that I had planned. Então a partir daí eu entrei nas etapas que tinha previsto. So I got home, I opened a can of peach, if I remember. Eu abri uma lata de pêssego, conserva. I ate it, comia. Then I got one of the radios. Depois tirei dos rádios and I started to hear what was happening, and the first thing I heard was, if I remember, radio station from Porto, which is like 20 miles from where I live. Eu liguei o rádio e ouvi uma rádio a princípio do Porto, que é para aí 30 km de onde eu ouvi, and for the voice, and I think I recognized the voice of the Porto Mayor. Acho que reconheci a voz do Presidente da Câmara do Porto, which is called Rui Moreira, que se chama Rui Moreira. So we was talking about like emergency procedures, and then I got to another radio, e depois fui para o outro rádio, which is a radio that has short band, que é rádio que tem onda curta. I put the batteries inside that I had in reserve, pus as baterias que eu tinha de reserva, as pilhas que eu tinha de reserva no interior, and I heard basically what was going on, and I decided to, okay, let me go shop for more bread, because if not I have to make it. Eu então pensei, tenho que ir buscar ou tentar arranjar pão, porque se pão de estilo pão de forma, because if I don't have it, I have to ter que o fazer. And then I went to a traditional shop. I went to two places. I went to get more food for my parakeets. Fui buscar mais comida para os meus periquitos. And I went to that traditional shop where there were tourists. Portugal is a very, the tourism industry is very strong in here. So when I got to the parakeet shop, I had a small conversation with the owner, and all the banking card machines were not working, and that's why, like, the supermarkets that are now all from like 3 or 4 international chains here in Portugal, apart from those small like traditional like supermarkets or shops, which we call in Portuguese mercearias. Portanto, eu fui comprar comida para periquitos, e fui comprar pão e forçar um bocadito o stock, as it was the plan, como tinha sido o plano. So of course that I have to add liquid money. Portanto, é claro que eu tinha que ter dinheiro líquido, porque as máquinas multibanco não estavam a funcionar. So when I got to the small grocery shop, quando cheguei à pequena loja de mercearia, which is downtown, the shop is like long, loja é longa, and the bottom was dark, so the light came out from the window, and a luz vinha da janela and from the window shop where they show the products. A luz vinha da porta e da montra, but at the bottom of the shop, mas no fundo da loja, which is long, it was already closed. It was already dark, já estava escuro. So the normal supermarkets and hypermarkets and malls, grandes centros comerciais e abastecedores de comida, they closed because they did not have multibank. What you call multibank in Portuguese is ATM system, the ATM system, so they closed it. Okay. At least the one near my home. So when I got there, a lot of people were going for bread, so slices of bread that bread that comes into, from what we do sandwich and such, which has a quadrangular form. Portanto, o pão normal vinha daquele pão, o chamado pão de forma. So there was no bread, and here starts to be the difference of being a survivalist. E aqui começa a ser a diferença de ser um sobrevivencialista. So the guy in the shop had a lady helping him, and the mother of the lady, the young lady, was like there at the side. Portanto, estava uma rapariga nova a ajudar o tipo que costuma estar na loja, e a mãe dela estava ao lado. Então apareceram pessoas, some foreign, English speaking, but they were German and such. Portanto, apareceram alguns falantes de inglês, mas alguns eram alemães, se bem me lembro que falam inglês. And I asked if they had toasts. Toasts, it's like fried bread, and they had also a special type of cookie. So so I bought 2 bags, and he told me that they had a few others, but people didn't remember that. Mas as pessoas no geral não se lembravam. Then they saw it and they asked if I remember. They asked after they saw what I had, and I told, no, I only had 2. I only want 2 because I want to left some for other customers. Eu disse, eu só quero estilo 2 porque quero deixar alguns para outras pessoas. There were not many. So if I remember next, people were there, and they heard my thing, and they asked it for more, for that. Eles pediram por isso. Then I went for I got like 3 cans of sardines. Eu comprei 3 latas de sardinhas, and then I went to the bottom of the shop. Eu fui mais para o fim da loja, where there was dark, and I light my flashlight. Então eu acendi a minha lanterna, which is bright and powerful, and general people don't have that, and all the people in the shop, todo o pessoal na loja, wow! And I told them, yeah, so we were the crazy ones, weren't we? Like preppers and such. Eu viro para eles e disse, então nós éramos os malucos, não éramos? Preppers e o caraças, e os gajos aqui, and the guys laughing and such. So okay, so I light the shelves, iluminei as prateleiras, and then I went for the like a bottle of like jelly and such. I bought that, and I got out of the shop and went home, e vim para casa. Now, several days later, what have I heard? What have I seen? So, what have happened while I was like asleep? So, just to give you an idea, só para vos dar uma ideia, people used to say like in 3 days the shelves will be empty. Oh, look, in 5 hours a lot of shelves were empty. I told you yesterday, I think it was yesterday, with the owner of a shop that sells candles, flashlights, batteries. They also sell like small wood stoves in which in Portuguese we call fogareiros. So eu ontem falei com amigo meu que tem uma loja que vende, é basicamente uma drogaria, mas eles vendem velas, fogareiros, lanternas, pilhas. So he told me that when he got to on the afternoon, and they close at 12:30, eles fecham ao meio-dia e meia, and then they open like at so they close at 12:30 and they open 2 hours later at 14:30 or 14 like something. And when he was going to open the street, it's him and like 3 other associates. Quando ele foi abrir a loja, era ele e 3 associados. The people told them, man, you have got like a lots of people at your door. Tu tens montes de pessoas à tua porta. And he told me that he probably was like, I don't know if he told me exactly, but he didn't believe it like a bit. Acho que ele não acreditou muito, então ele disse, pá, tens montes de gente à tua porta, o caraças. So, and he has like he sells like from cleaning products to batteries to lamps to rat traps to locks. Portanto, ele vende fechaduras, é uma drogaria, vende fechaduras, detergentes, lanternas, velas, fogareiros, he sells knives, kitchen knives, ele vende facas de cozinha, he sells, okay. So, he told me, man, when I got to the door, ele disse, man, when I got to the door, I had like a line, and people in Portugal are civilized, much more than the United States and such, till a point. Então as pessoas em Portugal são civilizadas e ele disse, man, there was a line like it was already like 30 people or such. I opened the shop, and what did he tell me? He told, and the people came out and he told, if I had more to sell, I would sell all in liquid cash. And there was a lady next to me, estava uma senhora perto de mim, that told me I did not have liquid cash, que me disse eu não tinha dinheiro líquido, and I had to borrow from a friend or some friend or a neighbor. She didn't tell me, but this yesterday, so yesterday was Friday, portanto ontem foi sexta-feira, so it's like 4 days after the blackout. So, então essa senhora pediu, portanto, dinheiro emprestado líquido a alguém conhecido ou a mim. And he told me, man, I used to look, I went to the shop, because that's the shop where I got my get my camping stove gas canisters, porque nessa loja é também onde eu compro as minhas botijas de gás para o fogão de campismo. And man, there was no flashlights, no batteries, and I believe he told me that he had sold like 500 euros of that stuff, and that if he had more, he would have said more. So, but he told me more. Ele disse-me, pá, eu vendi todas as lanternas, não havia nenhuma, vendi para aí 500 euros de pilhas, todas as pilhas que ele tinha, e disse-me ainda mais. And what he told me more, it was he also sells that candles, that LED candles, that LED candles that people used to put in the graves of the loved ones in cemeteries. So it's like, I'm going to show you, like it is like this. This is, let me, okay. See? Okay, so he told me I sold all of those, and a lot of those come with batteries, and he told me I sold all the candles. Ele disse-me, eu vendi todas essas, vendi todas as velas que tinha, even citronella candles, I guess he told me, even the scented ones, and he also told me I sold all the wood stoves and carbon stoves. It's called it. I had one from, of course, I had one from years ago. They are called fogareiros in Portuguese. Fogo in Portuguese means fire. So it's like industrial made oboe stoves. É quase como se fossem aqueles fogões feitos industrialmente portanto, de carvão. And he also sold, e ele também vendeu all the carbon for those stoves, because they sold carbon like fuel for those stoves. Eles também vendem carvão como pieces of carbon like fuel for those stoves to cook. So then I heard the description from a guy that works in a medical clinic where I am going to treat a bruise in my elbow, para tratar uma ferida no cotovelo that had gained liquid that I extracted yesterday, que ganhou o líquido que eu tirei ontem, and the nurse told me that they had, I guess it was in Braga, penso que foi em Braga, they had like they had to close some sections of a hospital in order to get the light from the generator to the important part of the hospital, like the emergency room and such, but they had to close lights, I remember. And then a friend of mine called me. Oh, this is interesting. E há amigo meu que me telefonou, but he called me like in the following days. It was like he called me like Thursday, I think. Ele acho que me ligou na quinta. So he told me there is two main hospitals in Portugal. One big, they are like, even the building is the same format. Até o edifício, which is a brutal one, is the same, é o mesmo formato, which is one in Lisbon, which is called Santa Maria, and one in Porto, which is called São João. So Saint Mary, or Holy Mary, and St. John in Porto. And he told me that in Porto the fuel for the generator had like only reserve fuel, and they had to even disconnect like LED lamps and such. Portanto, ele disse-me, pá, no Porto, as pessoas, portanto, no hospital há dois hospitais grandes, o Santa Maria e o São João, isto para os portugueses, e eles, no Hospital São João, se bem me lembro, o nível de combustível nos geradores estava no mínimo e eles tiveram que desligar até lâmpadas LEDs para poder iluminar a urgência e possivelmente os cuidados intensivos e assim. Ok. Then I saw what happened in a guy which is like a survivalist, and he is a very good archer. Tipo que é um sobrevivencialista e é um bom arqueiro que vive no Algarve, that lives in Algarve. I mean, showed me Decathlon. Decathlon is a big like sports store, like the United States, like Bass Pro Shop or REI in the United States. Man, they sold all the wood stoves, all the shelves were empty. Now, more about food. Portanto, eles venderam todos os estilo fogareiros, cenas de campismo e caraças, com as prateleiras nessa zona vazias. Another important thing is people, like in panic, they didn't even think. A lot of people, mesmo em pânico, não pensaram. They bought ice creams when the fridges were not working. They bought meat when the fridges were not working. They bought pizzas when the ovens were basically not working. Well, if they had like a wood stove or such, they could cook them. Portanto, se tivessem o fogareiro a carvão e assim, podiam-os cozinhar. Oh, my nurse told me that. So, he was traveling and he heard on the radio of the car, he started to worry. He is also fire department driver, and he told me that he only got to like worry because he was like 40 kilometers from our city. That would be like 60 kilometers from Porto. Portanto, ele estava para aí a 40 ou 60 kilometers da nossa cidade, ou para aí do Porto. And then he started to hear, and what it was the car radios that led people to hear a lot of news. Foram os rádios dos carros que deixaram as pessoas ouvir muitas das notícias. So if it had been, se tivesse sido a real EMP, no information, or most of the information would not get out. Muita da informação não passava because the people don't have their radios protected. So the government told, portanto, as pessoas como não têm os seus rádios protegidos, os carros, a lot of the cars were working. So when I got to buy the Parakit food and the little the candy, the 3 cans and the jelly and the toasts, quando eu fui comprar as tostas e a geleia e a comida de periquito e as datas conservas, I saw that the gas pump was closed. Eu vi que a bomba de gasolina was, the gas station was closed. a estação de combustível estava fechada, but they were selling gas bottles, estavam a vender botijas de gás. So that nurse told me, então esse enfermeiro told me that he couldn't not cook in his home because he had no electricity. Ele disse-me que não podia cozinhar na casa porque não tinha eletricidade. And then he remembered that their parents or his wife's parents had bottled gas, and then he went to their home to have a meal. Então ele foi para essa, portanto ele lembrou-se que os sogros ou os pais dele tinham um gás de garrafa e foi para essa casa para comer, basicamente. Oh, and how did the phones work it or not? So that was one thing I saw. So like when I first woke up, there had been like, I would say, 5 hours from the start of the blackout. Quando eu acordei, tinham passado para aí 3 horas desde o início do blackout, and the phone only had one bar in the screen, one antenna bar on the screen. Portanto, o telemóvel só tinha uma barra no ecrã. So the reception was already bad, and there was probably that bar, essa barra that would probably be from a tower system, e essa as barras seriam possivelmente um sistema de torres that had a little bit of more batteries, que tinha um bocadito mais de baterias. But I also have a landline, mas eu também tenho uma linha terrestre de telefone. That landline, as like the cell phones, ended up failing and completely lost signal. E então a linha terrestre também acabou por falhar, para além do telemóvel e de perder o sinal. So, like, I would say maybe 2 hours later, 2 to 7 hours later, phones were 7-8 hours, phones were completely down, all communications were completely down. The trains and suburban trains full of people, and like what we call the surface metro, portanto os comboios e os metros de superfície pararam, and people were stranded on their place. So there was I guess a lot of traffic, and without communications people didn't know probably where the family members were, e possivelmente sem comunicação as pessoas não sabiam onde estavam os membros da família. So the kit is to go with us, o kit é para ir connosco. But what the government does not say is that if you have a radio, if you have a battery radio, okay, se tu tens um rádio a bateria and you don't wrap it like in paper, and that paper is wrapped itself, so you have the radio, you wrap it in paper, and then you wrap aluminum foil around that paper and around the radio, because if there is a big EMP, a lot of the cars will not work, all the electronic devices will burn unless they are protected like that. And even protected like that, and já vou traduzir, and even protected like that, some things can fail, ok? Portanto, muito daquilo, o governo não vos disse que mesmo tendo, se for um EMP, um pulso eletromagnético forte, mesmo os rádios não vão funcionar. A maioria dos carros não vai funcionar, porque têm sistemas eletrónicos, toda a eletrónica vai falhar, então os meios têm que ser de estilo arcaicos e estar protegidos daquela forma que é o que eu disse. Tem o vosso rádio a pilhas, devem ter as pilhas fora. You must keep the batteries outside in order for them not to melt, like, ok? E portanto devem ter o rádio, devem ter papel à volta do rádio, as pilhas fora ou ao lado, podem até estar dentro entre o rádio e o papel, e à volta do papel ter estilo 2 ou 3 voltas e bem embrulhado de alumínio, porque senão you will not have radio. And another thing that I noticed, e outra coisa que eu notei, foi there are several radios for which the government, like it seemed that to me, há algumas rádios, national radios, for which the government has that they have generated and then they act like the emergency national radios, e que, portanto, há um conjunto de rádios que radio stations, há um conjunto de estações de rádio, there's a number of radio stations that has like generators and that act like the emergency means of the radio of the government to talk to the people, e que atuam como umas rádios de emergência para o governo falar ao país. Now my question was, or is, e agora a minha questão é, the things that people and preppers and survivalists, as coisas que as pessoas e os preppers e os sobrevivencialistas previam, that they predict, that they would happen in 3 days, que aconteceriam estilo em 3 dias, they happened in like 5 hours. So the shelves and such were empty in 5 hours. And look, people bought ice creams. As pessoas compraram gelados. They bought meat. Compraram carne. Unless they cook it in the moment and eat it, a não ser que comprassem no momento e que, portanto, cozinhassem ou aquecessem. What if there was a guy, houve um tipo that asked what would happen if the blackout dured 1 month, and he asked ChatGPT, so Artificial Intelligence, portanto houve um tipo que perguntou à inteligência artificial, ChatGPT, o que é que aconteceria se o blackout durasse aí um mês. And he asked ChatGPT what would happen, and we know that, of course, survivalists know that. E claro que os sobrevivencialistas sabem isso. So, what happened if the blackout lasted like 1 month? And he asked to ChatGPT to do that, to answer him, e pediu à, portanto, inteligência artificial, ChatGPT, para lhe responder, to ask him chronologically, para lhe responder cronologicamente. Well, hear that. Ouçam isso. And think. And there is a lot I have given, eu dei, because they are my friends and colleagues, eu dei alguns amigos e colegas, I gave them flashlights. Now, what do you think are the reaction of kids? Don't have their phone, don't have their distractions. Okay, imaginem isto, os miúdos não têm o seu telefone, não têm as suas distrações. People are used to a lot of light, but the first like 2 nights it's even like funny or romantic, have a candle or such. Mas as 2 primeiras noites é interessante ou romântico ter uma velas e assim, fazer um churrasquete, to do like a barbecue and such, it is funny after that. And there is one important thing, e há uma coisa muito importante, because the government and the Prime Minister, porque o governo e o Primeiro-Ministro told that like at like 9 to 11 p.m. the light was coming and we were hearing, e nós estávamos a ouvir na rádio, that the light was coming, but a lot of people didn't have still the kit. I believe it was the car radios. Foram os rádios dos carros. In MP they will not work. No, in a real EMP, in a full blown EMP, num EMP completo, isso não vai funcionar, nem os carros vão funcionar. Another thing that the government had difficulties and they had to deal fast was like to supply fuel, or get to, if I remember, get the fuel trucks like to hospitals and such, due to traffic. So the police had to escort the fuel trucks to fuel the generators in the hospitals. And imagine getting the trucks and the escort, the motorcades that were escorting the fuel trucks, imagining what was to have the motorcades getting the traffic sorted out, portanto, abrirem estilo o caminho no trânsito, for them to get to the hospitals, para eles chegarem aos hospitais. I went by a police car in the center of the, not in the center, like I would say 500 meters from the center of the street. They had still communications, eles ainda tinham comunicações, and I believe they were talking, acho que eles estavam a falar about someone, probably an old person that had, possivelmente uma pessoa idosa que lhes tinha, it was the idea, I was riding my bike, and with my backpack in my back, and the plastic bag or bags hanging on the how do you call it, you understand, the bars where you drive the bike. Portanto, eu tinha a minha mochila nas costas e eu vi a polícia, acho eu, a dizer e eles ainda tinham comunicações. One was not the car radio, not the patrol car radio, but a handheld radio. Era não um rádio do carro de patrulha, mas um rádio manual, portátil, e acho que eles estavam a falar, and I believe they were talking of some old people and such, and I remember then, man, what will happen in the nursing rooms? Eu depois pensei, o que é que acontecerá e o que é que vai acontecer nos lares de idosos, still ao fim de 3 dias? People will be like left for dying. O que é que vai acontecer nos lares de idosos, still ao fim de 3 dias? As pessoas vão ser still deixadas a morrer. And the important thing was that, as we knew that the government was trying and that they predicted, como nós sabíamos que o governo estava a tentar, and that they had like an estimated time for the power to come, e que eles tinham dado um tempo estimado da eletricidade vir, e isso manteve as pessoas com esperança. So, there was one important thing, like to see, there was an important story, a real story that happened to me, which is I am the manager of the building where I live, because the building was built on lands that my parents had. Portanto, eu sou o administrador do condomínio, porque o prédio foi feito num terreno onde os meus pais, num terreno que era dos meus pais, and then the other people of the building elected me, even because, e o resto das pessoas elegeu-me para administrador, até porque me and my brothers have the most of the biggest percentage of the building, porque os meus irmãos temos a maior percentagem de prédio. So, as I didn't even thought of that, I saw that when I left the building, if I remember, quando eu deixei o prédio to go on my little shopping trip, na minha pequena viagem de compras, I saw that there was no water. Vi que não tinha água, but that didn't... and this is the way survivalism is important. And I had I saw that I had no water, but to me it was normal, mas para mim era normal because I had water reservations. Para mim era normal porque eu tinha reservas de água as a survivalist. So I didn't even think about the others. Então eu nem pensei, with no harm, eu nem pensei nos outros, sem mal. So when I get to the building, right at the moment when I got to my garage, so there are the backs of the building, and at the backs of the building there are the garages from the parking spots which are covered and have a door. Portanto, atrás do prédio há os lugares de garagem que estão cobertos e têm uma porta. And right at the moment, when they knew that, when they felt that I had closed it with the noise of me closing the garage door, com o barulho que eu fiz ao fechar a porta da garagem, people were like, came to the balconies, as pessoas vieram às janelas from the second floor, and they told me, hey man, we don't have, how are we going to do? Because we have no water. O que é que vamos fazer? Porque nós não temos água. And I thought, you don't have water? Okay, then my front door neighbor told me, Domingos. And she told me, hey Domingos, this is a big responsibility. Tu tens uma grande responsabilidade. Because you could have changed it, porque tu podias ter mudado the lever from the water tank of the building in order for the pump, porque eu podia ter mudado portanto, a manivela, a alavanca, da água que a bomba puxa para cima do prédio para a água da company water. So, and as that neighbor, portanto, and that neighbor told me, man, you have a big responsibility, we are without water. Não, tu tens uma grande responsabilidade, nós estamos sem água. And as we have the keys of the pump room, because my front door neighbor also has the keys to the room where the pump is, portanto, porque a minha vizinha da frente também tem as chaves de onde está a chave da bombas. So she opened the room where the pump are, and she turned it to public water, the system to public water, and the water started to flow. E a água começou a ir. And she told me, I went already to knock on your door. Que ela disse, eu já fui bater à tua porta, but even if she knocks at my door, this is important. Or I wasn't, or I had already gone out, but I don't believe that when she knocked at my door, eu tinha saído. Portanto, quando ela bateu à minha porta, e eu acredito que ela bateu à minha porta, eu ainda não tinha saído, she probably knocked, and I was asleep. I didn't wake up. E como eu estava a dormir, eu não acordei. Another thing to have in mind, because we have a reaction time to wake up, especially when we are tired. Portanto, outra coisa a lembrar é que nós temos um tempo de reação quando nós estamos cansados. Now, if she forced the room, now that is different, because there are two alarm systems, and okay, I'm not going to talk about alarm systems, and they can be reinforced even, because I am a survivalist, okay? E eles podem ainda ser reforçados porque eu sou um sobrevivencialista. I have two alarm systems. One in one of them, one is rings higher if the door is busted in, toca alto se a porta for portanto, arrombada, and the other has there the bell, the speaker, e o outro tem o alto-falante, like less than a meter or about a meter of my head when I am asleep. E o outro tem o alto-falante para aí 1 metro de onde eu estou a dormir. But so the municipality had the water running, and probably got their generators, their protection, the civil protection generators, like FEMA, for instance. Então o governo local, a Câmara Municipal, penso eu, that's the way I think, got their systems, their water systems running. Alimentou os sistemas de água. That's good on them, good job. Isso foi bom trabalho deles. When they do well, they do well. Quando eles fazem bem, fazem bem. And I believe that our city and Porto did very well, and even others. I think that in general, the civil protection acted well. Even there was a lot of ambulance movement, and a lot of them were from the fire department, and that's probably because they still have communications, radio communications. But if a people had an emergency, they would have to go to the fire department headquarters. Portanto, as pessoas que tinham emergências tinham que ir quase certeza ao quartel dos bombeiros dizer: nós precisamos de uma ambulância para aqui ou para ali. Ok. While the phones didn't went out, enquanto os telefones não foram abaixo. Also, a lot of clinics. Portanto, I believe the clinic where I generally go, penso que a clínica onde eu vou normalmente, it closed, fechou. So now I ask people this, e agora eu pergunto às pessoas isto, so in order for the video to end in 1 hour. What if the blackout had gone like for 3 days and the people didn't have like a reasonable date for power to come, e que as pessoas não tinham uma data razoável para a luz aparecer? Oh, and I told the people when they asked me for water, so now I told them, now the water is gone for the public water system, but I told them, when the water that we have in our building tank, eu disse-lhes, eu lembrei-lhes, but prepare yourself, eu disse-lhes, mas preparem-se, because when the water, porque quando a água que nós temos na cisterna do prédio acabar, man, é aquilo que vai acontecer. And then one gentleman, one lady from the second floor, which is a Brazilian lady, told me from the balcony. E quando portanto, uma senhora que é brasileira, até vieram agora há relativamente pouco tempo ao prédio, so they are not in the building for a long time, but they are nice, mas são simpáticos. She told me, man, that if that happens, that is we are in the hands of God. It is up with God and such. And I told them, yes, it's in the hand of God. But even for a survivalist, mesmo para um sobrevivente, there is a point when, even if I wanted to, I could help people for a bit of time, but after a period of time I would not be able to help people, because I would have to take care of me and my family. Mas a partir do momento eu não tinha hipótese de tratar e de fornecer coisas às pessoas, porque tenho que tratar de mim e das pessoas. Then there is a psychological effect, and people are not used to that. Depois há o efeito psicológico, as pessoas não estão habituadas a isso, que é to live with less light, a viver com menos luz. A normal LED light, if it is a cheap, like a cheap one, uma lanterna mais fraca, if there is no replacements, when the batteries are dead, quando as pilhas estiverem acabadas, so you have to have more than one flashlight. Portanto, vocês têm que ter mais que uma lanterna. And if possible, ways to replace the batteries. E se for possível, maneiras de substituir as baterias. So, people are not, the psychological preparation, preparação psicológica is not there. They did not foresee the sceneries. Eles não previram os cenários. And it is going to repeat. I am almost certain, because there are divine revelations and such, I believe in them, e porque há revelações divinas e assim, isto vai se repetir. And war is probably coming. E a guerra está provavelmente a aproximar-se. But there is also already a war in the world. Mas também já há a guerra no mundo, yes. But it's going to get worse. So prepare yourselves. Preparem-se, ok? Because at a point, even if we or I want to help, it is not possible, okay? So if we all prepare, it is possible to live a little further. Portanto, todos nós nos prepararmos, é possível viver um bocadito mais. All the best.